Okay, so welcome back to iSoft Original, and this is the chapter 5 of the tutorial series that we are doing. On our previous lesson, we learned how to create a splash screen for our project. Now, on this project, we're going to learn how to create a login page for our project. Now, there are some things you need to get, right? First of all, you need to get a form, right? You need to first of all get a form. So quickly I'll just delete my form, previous form, so that I get to know how best I'm good to go. Okay, so these are the tools you need label, right? So you need, let's say, you need two label, right? And then these two labels, I'll just change the font size of them to, let's say, 16. I believe by now you will be able to know all these things, because we have previously we have learned a lot about all these things. So this will be called username, and then this will be called password, right? Good. So we have the username, and then we have the password, right? Good. So all these two will be here. Just let's position it somewhere. Let's assume it should be somewhere here. Good. And then I would like to extend this a little bit, and then I'll just position it somewhere here. From the same procedure we did. No, let's work along with this. So yes, let's add two text boxes. So let's search for text boxes and add your text boxes. So this is one text box here, and then I bring my password here. Just copy and paste it one more time. This is your password text box. Now from this section, just highlight everything. Yes, so from this section we will add two buttons, right? So one is here. Let's see this, copy that, and then paste it one more time. Add this here. So this button is going to be okay, right? Sorry. And then this button is going to be cancel, right? Good. Okay, so we just do it this way, and you can modify this anyhow you want to. You want to do it. It depends on whatever you want to do. You can modify it anyhow you wish to, work along with it. It depends on whatever you want to do, right? Good. So I just did something like this, and for this I think I'm done. Now let me debug and tell and show you something a little bit. Now when I debug the system, you will see that probably this is working perfectly fine, but when I come to the password is showing, right? So I need to get rid of that. Click on the password, come to its property. We have something called password char. Now password char, add star symbol. Any symbol you wish to add it. Now when I start it, all my symbols will be represented, or all my text or passwords will be represented by star, right? Good. So I believe this is done. Now let's get into the cancel. When I click on cancel, it should pop up, let's say, application dot exit, or okay, let's use a simple code. So let's say me dot close, right? Simple as that. Me dot close, just like that. And then when the person click on okay, there are some codes we need to do. We are going to use if statement, right? So that is it. This is the fundamental basic, so we won't go deep, right? So we will say that if our text box 1, right, which is the username dot text equals to, then you add up your username. So I'm going to say admin. If my text box 1 dot text equals to admin, and my text box 2, which is my password dot text, equal to admin as well, then good, then it should tell me something, right? So it should give me a message box telling me that let's say logged in successfully, right? I believe this is nice. So as soon as you type admin here and then admin here, it will just tell you that message box show login successful, right? And we will say else. If not else, when the person didn't type the correct password, username, or yes, anything password like that, it will message the person, telling the person that message box does show, and then it will tell the person that wrong password found, right? Wrong password found. And then we will say that maybe text box 1 dot clear. We will clear the text box 1, and then we will clear the text box 2, and then we will focus on the text box 1, right? So these are the code of lines, right? Sorry, these are the code of lines, right? We are saying that if the text box 1 dot text equals to admin and text box 2 dot text equals to admin, then message box should show. If the person didn't type admin and admin, then it should pop a message telling the person that wrong password. It should clear everything. Then I believe so we will say that wrong username or password found, right? So let's start it and see something. Now you can see that when I click OK, it will tell me that wrong username or password found, right? When I type anything in here, it will tell me that wrong username or password found, so it's secured, right? When I type admin and then come to this section admin, it will just tell me that login successful, right? Good. So it's done. Now we want it to navigate to another form, so we will create a form from our previous how we did, and then this is form 2. Add the form, and let's add a label, and let's change the font size to let's say 72. Good. And then we will say that on this label we're going to say that home page, right, as we did previously ago. So we want it to, as soon as we get admin, we want it to navigate to this page, right? So we will come here after it shows this message and I click OK. Then we say that form 2 dot show me dot hide. Good. So this is just the simple code as ABC, right? This is just the simple code. Good. So let's start it and see. If I type admin here and admin in the next one, I click OK, it will say login successful. When I click OK again, okay, so why is it not working? Oh, okay, sorry. This shouldn't be here, right? Let's cut it and then let's add it here. Message was successfully beneath this message box successfully, right? Good. So as soon as it gets to admin, then you click OK. Boom, there you go. So without the password you can't come to this page. Without the password you can't come to this page, right? Good. So I believe we are nearly done for today's lesson. So guys, I believe this tutorial will help you a lot in developing so many stuffs, and this is the code for everything. So thank you for watching this very tutorial, and I hope it will really help you a lot. So until we meet again on the part 5 of this lesson, have a nice day, and I'm out.